Exercise 7b, question number 13. A number sits more than 2 times another number. The sum of the two numbers is 24. Find the numbers. So here we need to find the two numbers. Let one of the number be n. Then according to the question we can write another number sits more than 2 times another number. That is 2n plus 6. So these are the two numbers. Now again it is given the sum of the two numbers is 24. Sum is equal to 24. Therefore n plus 2n plus 6 is equal to 24. Or we can write 3n plus 6 is equal to 24. Now taking the 6 to RHS, it becomes 3n is equal to 24 minus 6. That is 3n is equal to 18. Or n is equal to 18 by 3, which is 6. Therefore, the numbers are 6 and the number it is given as 2 into 6 plus 6, that is 12 plus 6, or it becomes 18. 6 and 18. Question number 14. 4 times Sonu's age decreased by 3 is equal to 3 times his age increased by 7. How old is Sonu? Let Sonu's age be H years. Then according to the question, 4 times Sonu's age decreased by 3. That is 4 times h decreased by 3 is equal to 3 times his age increased by 7. That is 3h plus 7. Now we can easily find h here. That is taking this 3h to LHS and minus 3 to RHS, we can write 4h minus 3h is equal to 7 plus 3, or it is h is equal to 10. Therefore, Sonu is 10 years old. Question number 15. Find 3 consecutive numbers whose sum is 81. So let the numbers be h, h plus 1 and h plus 2. Then according to the question, sum is equal to 81. That is h plus 1 plus h plus 2 is equal to 81. Or adding all the h terms, we can write 3h plus 3 is equal to 81. Or we can write 3h is equal to 81 minus 3, or that is 78. Or h can be written as 78 by 3, which is equal to 26. Therefore, the numbers are 26, 27 and 28. MCQ questions. Question number 16. If you could divide Reena's age, that is h, by 8 and take away 2 more years, you get 5. Which equation will represent this situation? So at first we need to divide the Reena's age by 8, and from this we need to take away 2 years, and that will give 5. So that is the equation here, and this equation we can find in option D. Question number 17. 1/4 of a number plus 3 gives 4. The number is. So let us assume the number to be n. Then according to the question it is given that 1/4, that is 1 by 4 n plus 3 gives 4. We can write n by 4 is equal to, taking 3 to RHS, it becomes 4 minus 3, or that is n by 4 is equal to 1. I can write it as 4. Answer is option C. Question number 18. If 3 by 4th of a number is 60, then half the number is. That is 3 by 4th of a number. It is given as 60. We need to find n by 2. So it can be written as 3n is equal to 60 into 4, or n is equal to 60 into 4 divided by 3. 3 and 60 we can cancel 20, so we will get n as 80. Now we need to find half of this number, that is n by 2 or 80 by 2, which is 40. Option B. Question number 19. The sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. If the three angles are 2h plus 15 degree, 85 degree and h plus 20 degree, the value of h is. So according to the question, I can write the sum of three angles, that is 2h plus 15 plus 85 plus h plus 20 is equal to 180. Now we can group the variables together. So 2h plus h, it is 3h plus 15 plus 85, it is 100, 100 plus 20, it is 120, equal to 180. Or I can write 3h is equal to 180 minus 120, which is equal to 60. Or h can be written as 60 divided by 3 is equal to 20 degree. So answer is option C. Question number 20. For her mobile phone service, Divya pays 145 rupees per month and 75 paise for each extra minute she talks over the allowed number of minutes in the monthly plan. She received a bill of 178 rupees last month. How many extra minutes did she use her phone beyond the allowed time? So let us assume the extra minutes to be h. Here we need to know the conversion of paise to rupees. 1 paise is equal to 1 by 100 rupees. So 75 paise can be written as 75 divided by 100 rupees. Now according to the question, we can write 145 plus 75 by 100 into extra number of minutes, that is h, is equal to, our bill is 178, that is 178. Now from here we can find h. So it can be written as 75 by 100, h is equal to, taking this 145 to RHS, it can be written as 178 minus 145, or that is equal to 33. So 75 by 100, h is equal to 33, or h can be written as 33 into 100 divided by 75. Now we can cancel 175 by 25. So 25 4s are 100, 25 3s are 75. Now 33 and 3 we can cancel 11. Now 11 into 4, 44. Therefore, extra minutes Divya used is 44 minutes.